Well, hey everyone, I have something very special for you today. Now, very recently, ChatGPT's parent company, OpenAI, launched something called GPT Builder. And it is something that you must know, irrespective you're a student, working professional, or anyone else, because this could be something very big in the coming future. And I want to tell you everything about it, and more specifically, how it could be extremely useful for you as well. Well, the reason for this is that I want you to ride this wave to build your career and life with the effective use of new age advancements and be at the forefront of it and not lagging behind and playing the catch-up game. Well, I'm excited to bring all these new things so you can build your best life. In this video, we'll explore what it is, why it's the future, and how you can use it to enhance your learning and career prospects. Let's get started. First off, what exactly is GPT Builder? Well, a GPT Builder is a powerful tool from OpenAI that allows you to create customized AI models based on GPT framework. Think of it as a way to build your own AI assistant tailored to your specific needs and goals. How cool is that? Your personal assistant? Yes, and it's not just a tool for tech experts, it's becoming increasingly accessible for everyone, including students and people with zero coding background. So, at its core, GPT Builder is designed to democratize the use of advanced AI technology, making it accessible to the broader range of users beyond just AI researchers and developers. GPT actually stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. This might sound technical, but in simple terms, it's a type of AI that's excellent at understanding and generating human-like text. Now, GPT can write essays, summarize text, translate languages, and even answer questions. It's like having a super intelligent writing assistant with you. But here's where GPT Builder changes the game. Instead of providing one-size-fits-all AI model, GPT Builder allows you to build or customize your own AI model. It's like having a set of Lego blocks where each block is an AI capability. With GPT Builder, you can combine these blocks in unique ways to create an AI model that fits exactly what you need, whether it's for writing, researching, coding, or any other task. Now, what makes GPT Builder especially powerful is its super user-friendly interface. You don't need to be an AI expert or a seasoned programmer to use it. That's really super cool, isn't it? The platform is designed to be intuitive, allowing you to select, tweak, and train your AI models with relative ease. This means students, educators, content creators, and professionals from various fields can harness the power of AI without the steep learning curve typically associated with such advanced technology. Additionally, GPT Builder is constantly evolving. OpenAI frequently updates the platform with new features and improvements, making it future-proof too. As AI technology advances, so do the capabilities of GPT Builder, ensuring that users always have access to cutting edge of AI development. It's like making AI accessible to almost everyone. But why is GPT Builder the future? Well, in a world where AI is rapidly transforming how we work, learn, and interact, having the capability to customize AI tools is crucial. Now, with GPT Builder, you're not just a user of AI, you become a creator, shaping AI to fit your unique requirements. This skill is invaluable in today's tech-driven landscape and will only become more important in future. So think about how we use smartphones and computers for almost everything, like watching videos, playing games, or talking to friends. In future, we'll use smart tools like GPT Builder even more. It's like having a super smart robot friend who can learn and do almost anything you want. That's cool, right? Now, I believe GPT Builder is special because it's not just one robot friend. You can teach it to be any kind of helper you need. Need help writing a story? It can do it. Want to learn about stars and planets? It can help with that too. It's like having many different helpers in one, and you can get to decide which ones to do what. Okay, also, just like how you learn new things in life and get smarter, GPT Builder learns new things too. So as you grow, it keeps getting better and you can help you in even cooler ways. That's why it's like your future. It grows and learns just like you. Next obvious question is how to use GPT Builder. So it's pretty simple. Step number 1, sign up and log in. The first thing you need to do is create an account with OpenAI and log into the GPT Builder platform. Think of it like signing up for a new app or a game. Step number 2, choose your base model. Now, GPT Builder offers different AI models. These are like the brains of your AI. You pick one based on what you want your AI to do. It's like choosing a character in a video game with special abilities. Step number 3, customize your model. This is where you get to teach your AI what you want it to do. You can feed it examples or instructions. So imagine you are teaching a pet to do tricks. You show it what to do, and with practice, it learns. Same with GPT. Step 4, train your model. Once you have given it instructions, the next step is to train it. This is like helping your AI practice until it gets really good at what you want it to do. The training part is mostly done by the platform itself. Number 5, test and use your AI. Now, after training, you get to test your AI, like asking it questions or giving it tasks based on what you trained it for. You can see how well it does and make adjustments if needed. So now you have learned how to create your own GPT, but what do you really need it for? So here's the list of examples for students first. You can create a GPT for academic research. Now imagine creating an AI model that helps you sift through academic papers and summarizes key findings in your field of study. Now this could be really cool, as you don't need to read everything. Rather, you can read the summary and write your own research paper. Isn't it cool? It could also be used for language learning. Now customize a model to practice a new language, getting instant feedback and tailored exercises. It's amazing to learn a new language this way, with kind of personal tutor with you. It can correct your grammar, expand your vocabulary, and even simulate conversations for practice. You can also create a GPT project management. Now you can build an AI assistant to help organize your group projects, track deadlines, and even brainstorm ideas. Yes, you can manage your team, divide work among your team, and whatnot. There are just few possibilities. The potential is virtually limitless. In fact, I am creating some amazing GPTs for you in terms of helping you with time management, productivity, a career advisor, and many more. And I will keep you updated on my progress and when you can use these GPTs to build a great life for yourself. And yes, GPT Builder isn't just for students. Here are some general use cases that anyone can do. First is personalized learning. Now, regardless of your field or interest, GPT Builder can help you create a personalized learning assistant, guiding you through complex topics at your own pace. You can create a GPT for HR management, a GPT for content creation for bloggers, YouTubers, and writers. Create a model that assists in generative ideas, drafting outlines, or even writing initial drafts. In fact, I was testing with a new GPT on writing scripts for my YouTube channel, and it is really good to begin with. But I still have to do a lot of customization to my script, so it sounds like me and not like an AI. Like the idea of this script is generated by the GPT, and it gave me a quick outline, but I have to write a lot of manual lines like these ones that I'm just saying to personalize my script. But I'm excited to test this out to see how can I train my GPT to sound like me. Well, not sure how long it will take or whether it'll be possible, but I'm exploring this right now and I will keep you posted on this. So GPT Builder is more than just a tool. It's a gateway to harnessing the power of AI in your personal and professional life. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or just someone eager to learn, understanding and utilizing GPT Builder can give you a significant edge. So start exploring and let's build a smarter future together. Well, I encourage you to dive in, explore and start building with GPT Builder. Create something amazing, solve a problem, or just experiment and learn. The skills and knowledge you gain today will be building blocks for the incredible future you are going to create. And I'm here for you, with you to help you create an amazing future, an amazing life that you want to live. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, get inspired by this video, give it a thumbs up, like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Stay curious, keep learning. I will see you very soon.